O- Okay, this is a video on how to swap the wires on a drum unit in case you install one for your color and it says please install the drum unit properly. And all it's going to be is it's going to be a different, because it's a different drum than what the original drum is, it's going to be the wires need to be swapped on the TD sensor or the toner sensor. Now, if you, let me zoom in here a little bit. If you'll see, the connector looks like a little grid right here on one side, and then on the other side it's just nice and flat. So if you take these first two wires on the left hand side right here and swap these two wires, these first two on the left hand side, holding it like this, you'll just reach in, and I like to just reach in with a razor blade and you'll pry up a little tab right there. It's really hard to see. Let me see if I can really bend one up so that you can see. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but if you'll just pry up a tab, there you go. See how it's up underneath there? Alright. And then all you have to do once you've got that tab up is just pull on the wire. And then that will come right out. Alright. Now you can just let that one dangle, and then you'll go to the very next one. And you'll pry it out, and when you pry it out you want to hold on to it so that you don't get mixed up on which is which. So you'll pull that out just a little bit like so, and then you'll just simply move it right over and just wiggle it in, and then just kind of press your thumb back on that tab that you pried up. Then we'll take the other one, and if you can see how there's a little hook on the bottom, that will go downward. It's like a little area that's open in between here and here, and that will go downward. So we'll do like that and bend that one out of the way just a little bit. Slide it in, pop it in until you feel it kind of pop in there. Alright. Now, what you'll do is you'll put your developer unit will already be in there, and this is what I'm talking about right here, this unit right here. Let me back up. This unit right here, and you'll be plugging in right here in the front, right up underneath. But yeah, just put your connector back in, put your faceplate back on, slide the unit in. If it says that the drum unit is not installed properly, just swap those two wires. Again, holding the wires like this, it's going to be the two on the left hand side. And once you swap those two wires and slide the drum unit back in, she'll be good to go.